Hello, hello, hello. I've got an Amazon haul. There were some things that we needed, so this is what we got. We got a reversible griddle and grill. Victoria! I will do a review of these products after we've had a chance to try them out, but I've been wanting a flat top grill for a while. Quite a while, so this is a heavy duty nice one. We also got some measuring spoons. These ones are stainless steel, and it's a set of 8, so these ones should work pretty good for us. Again, I'll be doing reviews of all this stuff after we've had a chance to try it out. I got a taco holder set because I love me some tacos, and trying to build tacos just on a plate can be quite the frustration. We also got a KitchenAid blender. This is a immersion blender. Used to have one many years ago, and in the course of all the moves, don't know what happened to it, so wanted to replace that. Got a multi-chopper slicer, and yeah, just for chopping vegetables a little bit easier, a little safer. I cut my hand I guess it was last month, chopping vegetables, and on days when I'm a little seizure-y, it's better for me to use something like this than for me to cut stuff with an actual knife, because, you know, don't want to lose a finger. And then I had some, all this stuff we put on our Amazon credit card. So, and this one actually I had, I think like a $15 Amazon gift card. And I thought this would be fun. It's a, just a snack box with some exotic snacks. So, I always like trying snacks from other places, and I hadn't seen this specific brand before, so I figured I'd give it a go. Like I said, all this stuff will be reviewed as we unbox it and use it, and I'm hoping all these things will be great, but time will tell. Let me know if you have any of these items in your home. I know that a lot of these are pretty common, maybe not this one so much, but the rest of this stuff can be ones found in a lot of kitchens, but let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.